Okay, so I asked you to complete the last 5 problems. We're going to start by putting a line through the equal sign. I need to start by first working our way down to isolating the x. So it's kind of like peeling an onion. You take the outside parts off first. I want to get rid of the 1/4. So to do that, I raise it to the reciprocal of, get rid of the 4 by raising to the reciprocal of 1/4. Please listen. Shh. So these cancel and I have x subtract 3. Now here's the tricky part. What two numbers, remember there's going to be 2 because it's even and greater than 4. What two numbers multiply to give you 16? 4 times. 2, 2, 2, and 2, along with -2, -2, -2, -2. So this is both a plus and a minus 2 right now. Now to isolate the x, the last step is to add 3 to both sides. So one answer I'm going to add 3 plus 2. And the next answer I'm going to subtract 3 minus 2. The last number that comes over to the right goes in front, and in back was the first answer we achieved. So 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 minus 2 is 1, and now we're going to go back and check our answers verbally. 5 subtract 3 is 2, 2 raised to the 4th is 16. 1 subtract 3 is -2, -2 raised to the 4th is 16 as well. They both work out. Number 24, I'm sorry that these are misnumbered. Divide by -1. Bless you. X raised to the 7th equals -40. To get rid of 7, raise it to the 1/7. Grab your calculator, put in parentheses, -40, raise it to the 1/7, and now round your answer to the nearest hundredth. That's what the direction asks for. So it's going to be approximately -1.69. Number 25. Subtract 24 from both sides. To get -8, divide both sides by -2. To get 4, how many answers am I going to have? 2. Raise both sides to the 1/4 power to cancel out the 4. Now take 4, raise it to the 1/4. I'm going to approximate 1.41, but if this is my only answer, I'm wrong. It is both positive and negative. Even exponent greater than 2, 2 answers. Unless, of course, it would be a no solution. All right, now let's take a guess. Do you think I get rid of what's out front, or do you think I get rid of the exponent first? Anybody, do you want to take a guess? We're actually going to get rid of this number first. We're going to get rid of this number. So to get rid of 1/3, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. Now to get rid of the exponent, I'm going to raise both sides to the 1/3. How many answers will I have? 1, because it is odd. Please take your calculator. Take 21 and raise it to the 1/3 and leave that number on your calculator. So 21 raised to the 1/3. We want to only have to approximate or round on our final answer. So I have this as a number, and now the final step, I have this number here. The final step is to subtract 12 from it. So take the number that's here and subtract 12. Now I'll round approximately -9.24. And our very last problem. Add 14 to both sides. 22 plus 14 is 36. Raise both to the 1/3 power. Grab the calculator. Approximately 3.30.